What if I told you teenagers are making $100 a day without a job, without a degree, and without even leaving their bedroom? They're not coding, they're not trading stocks. They're using AI tools that are free to access. And if you know how to use them, the money starts flowing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how teens, and honestly anyone, are using AI in 2025 to build daily income streams. Stick around until the end, because the last AI hustle I'll share has almost zero competition right now, but it could be the easiest $100 a day you'll ever make. The first hustle? AI-generated short-form content. Teens are using tools like CapCut, Pika Labs, and 11 Labs to create short videos in minutes. No filming, no showing your face. They pick trending topics. Think fun facts, celebrity news, AI hacks. Feed text prompts into AI video generators. Add an AI voiceover and post 5 to 10 videos a day. One viral clip can get millions of views, and with TikTok Creator Fund or Instagram Reels bonuses, you can easily hit 100 per day when you stack content. Next, selling AI-made digital products on Etsy. Teens are using Canva plus a ChatGPT to create printable planners, wedding templates, kids' worksheets, or digital wall art. All in under an hour. They list them on Etsy for $5, $50 each. And since they're digital, you make the product once and it sells forever. Even at just 10 sales a day of a $10 product, that's your $100 daily goal. And you can build multiple product lines at once. This one's wild. AI voiceovers. Sites like Fiverr are full of people charging $50, $150 for voiceover work. But now, teens are using 11 Labs to generate ultra-realistic voices in seconds. All you need is the client's script. Upload it to the AI, and boom, instant delivery. You don't need a mic, studio, or even your own voice. And with 2 to 3 gigs a day, you're already hitting your goal. Here's one that nobody talks about. AI resume optimization. Job seekers pay $50+ to have someone make their resume stand out. Teens are using ChatGPT and Grammarly to rewrite resumes, boost LinkedIn profiles, and even create cover letters in minutes. Post your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook job groups. You'll be shocked how fast orders come in, especially from people desperate to land interviews. This last one is my favorite. AI-generated local business content. Small businesses need social media posts, but most don't have time or skill to make them. Teens are offering 10 custom posts for $100 using Canva templates, plus AI copywriting from ChatGPT. It takes maybe an hour to deliver, and if you get 5 local clients, that's $500 a week on autopilot. The truth is, AI is the ultimate equalizer right now. You don't need experience. You don't need money to start. Just the drive to actually take action. Pick one hustle from this list, start today, and you could be making your first $100 by next week. And if you want more AI money-making ideas like these, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.